Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Pinterest inspired cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Pinterest inspired cottage decoration is a charming and timeless interior style that beautifully blends nostalgic vintage elements with the cozy, rustic warmth of countryside cottage. It creates a space that feels inviting, romantic, and full of character, like stepping into a peaceful country retreat filled with treasured memories. Here are some beautiful and practical tips to help you create a vintage-inspired cottage decoration style at home. Mix old with new. Don't worry if everything isn't antique. Combine vintage finds with modern comforts. A distressed vintage dresser beside a new cozy sofa keeps the look balanced and livable. Stick to a soft color palette. Choose gentle, edged tones like cream, dusty rose, shell green, and pale blue. Avoid harsh contrasts. Vintage cottage decor works best with soft, faded, or pastel hues. Choose furniture with character. Go for weathered, painted, or wooden furniture that shows a bit of age. Flower markets, thrift stores, and online vintage stores are perfect for finding charming, unique pieces. Add floral touches everywhere. Use floral prints on curtains, cushions, or bedding. Fresh flowers in old glass jars or animal pictures instantly bring that country charm to life. Create cozy lighting. Use lamps, fairy lights, and candles instead of bright overhead lights. Soft, warm lighting enhances the romantic, vintage feel of your cottage space. Use natural fabrics. Choose cotton, linen, or lace for curtains, tablecloths, and pillow covers. These materials make the room feel fresh, breathable, and authentically rustic. Decorate with memories. Display old books or handmade crafts. These personal touches makes your home feel nostalgic and meaningful, true to vintage style. Bring nature indoors. Keep plants and herbs in ceramic or terracotta pots. Even dried lavender or eucalyptus branches add a calming countryside feel. Keep it simple and cozy. Avoid clutter. Choose a few meaningful vintage items and let them shine. The goal is a space that feels warm, welcoming, and full of quiet character. Layer with textures. Mix and match materials. Combine lace with burlap, linen with crochet, and wood with metal accents. Layering gives depth and a cozy, lived-in feel that defines cottage charm. Use wicker and rattan. Include wicker baskets, rattan chairs, or oven trays. They add natural texture, perfect for holding blankets, magazines, or even potted plants. Add time-worn beauty. Let imperfections shine. Chipped paint, faded fabrics, or distressed finishes bring authentic vintage personality. Perfection isn't the goal, warmth and story are. Grace your windows softly. Use lace, muslin, or sheer cotton curtains that let in natural light. Include handmade details. Add charm with crochet dollies, embroidered cushions, or hand-painted signs. Display old books and antiques. Stick vintage books on coffee tables or shelves. Their own covers and faded pages add instant character. Add baseboard or wainscoting. Wood paneling on walls or ceiling brings texture and traditional cottage craftsmanship. Give a touch of whimsy. Add playful, unexpected touches, like a vintage bird case with fairy lights or mismatched teacups on display. Use mirrors to add light and space. Choose vintage style mirrors with ornate or distressed frames. Add rustic wooden elements. Incorporate exposed wooden beams, reclaimed shelves, or a farmhouse style dining table. Choose vintage inspired wallpaper. Soft floral, tile, or damask patterns create that timeless cottage backdrop. Display everyday items beautifully. In cottage homes, beauty meets practicality. Display dishes, teapots, or folded linens on open shelves. Useful pieces can also serve as decoration. Incorporate seasonal touches. Update your decor with seasonal flowers and colors. Tulips in spring, lavender in summer, dried wheat in autumn. Create romantic corners. Add a vintage armchair, a small side table, and a lace lamp to make a cozy reading nook. Mix patterns carefully. Blend floral prints, checks, stripes, and lace in soft, muted tones. Repurpose vintage items. Transform old suitcases into side tables or use antique drawers as wall shelves. Choose time-worn finishes. Go for furniture or decor that shows a bit of age. Slightly chipped paint, faded wood, or painted metal. Add layers of comfort. Cottages are all about coziness. Use layered quilts, throw blankets, and soft pillows. Include subtle romantic details. Add lace runners, delicate candle holders, floral china, or porcelain figurines. Use soft lighting layers. Avoid harsh white light. Use lampshades, sconces, or fairy lights with warm bulbs. Add open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open wooden shelves to display pretty dishware, glass jars, and antique finds. Embrace botanical beauty. Decorate with potted herbs, leafy trails, or pressed flower art. Add a signature fragrance. Use lavender sachets, rose-scented candles, or herbal diffusers. Thanks for watching the video.